Okay, good evening, students. Day one on my papa, Bedoma. You're welcome to our L2 revision platform, Js1. If you're in Js1 and you're learning you as a second language, get your notes. Let's start. We stopped at Ekele Ehihie, and we're going to start with Ekele Mgbede, because we've been looking at most popular greetings. Ekele Ndị Kacha pụta. Ekele Mgbede, evening greetings. This type of greeting is said by the Igbo people between 4 p.m. to 6:59 p.m. Ka bụ ekele ndị Igbo na-ekele site na mgbede, mgbe ọ kụrụ elekere 4 ruo mgbe ọ fọrọ otu nkeji ka ọ kụọ gịnị elekere 7 mgbede. Ekele ndị a bụ chezekwa na anyị na-eme, remember we greet and we also give the response, so we'll still move that way. I know it's in your notes. Please get your notes, okay? Good. Ademma, Mbedoma, good evening. And the response will be, oh, Mbedoma. Okay, all right, good evening. Ndewo, well done. The response will be, oh, okay, all right. The next type of greeting is Ekele Abali, night greetings. Is it in your note like that? Good. Night greetings. The Igbo people have the greetings they say to one another during the night hours. That is from 7 p.m. till they go to bed. Ndị Igbo nwere ekele ụfọdụ ha na-ekele onwe ha mgbe abalị site n'elekere 7 ruo mgbe ha ga-eme gịnị alaba ụra. Some of these greetings are abalị ọma, good night. And the response will be, oh, abalị ọma. Okay, all right, good night. Kachi bo, until morning. And the response will be, oh, ka obo. Okay, all right, till morning. Kachifo. And the response will be, Kachifo bogene, until morning. And the response will be, oh, Kachifo. Okay, all right, till morning. Rahụ nke ọma, sleep well. Rahụ nke ọma, sleep well. And the response will be, oh, rahụkwa nke ọma. Okay, all right, sleep well also. That is where we will stop. In our next lesson, we're going to look at ụzọ esi ekwe ekene, how to greet. Please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also like our page on Facebook. Share our videos so that some students who are also learning this language as a second language will be privileged to be part of us. Thank you. Ndewo, imeela, ka ọ dị mgbe ọzọ. Aka m bụkwa Odoziakụ Amaogu, onye nkuzi asụsụ Igbo. I remember Mrs. Amaogu, your Igbo L2 revision teacher. Please, if you have any question, make sure you ask me. Ndewo.